Welcome to Whatsdash. In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly set up your own Pinterest Insight dashboard using our Open your browser and type whatsdash.com. Next, select the account you'd like to use and click Continue. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the home page. From the left-hand menu, click on the Integrations tab. Go search bar, type Pinterest Insight. Click the plus button next to it. A pop-up will appear. Click the Access button to authorize the connection. Your Pinterest ID will now appear on the right side under Connected Integrations. Now go to the Dashboard tab from the left menu. Click on New Dashboard. Scroll down to view available pre-built templates. In the pop-up window, enter a dashboard. Name of your choice. Select your desired time period. Click Next, then click Add Dashboard. Your new dashboard is now ready. Explore the layout using the drag and drop feature to organize the KPIs that matter most to you. Thank you for watching this video.